Welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today I have Elouise with me.
Hi.
And she's going to help me make a handprint rainbow. Elouise has also created her own channel. It's called Love to Learn, where she teaches different things like the numbers, the letters, and stuff like that. And I'll be putting the link in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. Now let's go. This is what we're going to be making today. Oops. The materials you'll need are paint, a pencil, a large piece of paper, and some scissors. First, we're going to trace out a rainbow shape out of a large piece of paper. And we're going to make sure it's 5 handprints long because our colors are red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, which is 5 colors. So Elouise, let me have your hand. Let's start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay. So now we're gonna go. Okay, and now we're going to cut this out. Just like this. And if you want, if you made pencil marks that are very, very obvious, you can just put around where nobody will see them. Okay, first we're going to do red. And make sure your paint is washable paint. You do not want to use acrylic paint for this, so it'll wash right off your hands. So, Elouise, let's see here. Give me a paintbrush, will you? Which one? This one? No. Put it in the right bucket. No. It has a yellow bottom. Show me. No. Thank you. Actually, I have paint on it. Just go get me another yellow one. And then we're gonna, what we have here is a glob of paint, and then we're gonna kind of mix it around, make it a bit wider, so Elouise's hand will fit on top of it. And Elouise, will you give me your hand real quick? Turn it around. Okay. Okay. And what you can do is you can either press your hand into it like that, or what we're gonna do is paint it onto the hand. Does this feel good? Mm-hmm. And try to get as much paint on your hand or your sibling's hand as possible. Okay, lift your hand up, don't move. Set this aside. Now flip your hand over and don't press yet. Scoot your fingers a bit towards each other, not all the way. Right there. Now press. Make sure your hand stays on the paper. Okay. You can go. just like that. Next we're gonna do orange. So, now that we finished all the handprints, this is optional, but what we're gonna do is draw little, just like swirlies in different colors around the fingertips and hands. So that was blue, let's do some green. And this is just gonna give it some more pizzazz, Elouise likes to say. What do you think, Elouise? Pretty?
I like how you're doing like the swirlies, blue, green, yellow,
Yeah, and all the different colors.
like the rainbow color.
Yeah, like the rainbow colors.
I
Just like
the
that. Now I'm just gonna trim around some edges. And then, let's see, I don't want as much paper right here. And then we're gonna let it dry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!